Hello everyone. Today we will see the exercises of chapter 16. Let's see the first one. Put a tick by the ending that gives the best meaning. You have to take the best answer. Please go through the chapter before taking the best one. Once you go through the chapter, then you will be able to do it easily. Now let's see question number 2, that is make sentences beginning with I don't know. You have to make sentences in which answer will begin with I don't know. Let's see few examples. Where is Janak? I don't know where Janak is. If you see that I don't know is same from here and where Janak is. Where Janak is. So you can do it easily. Where are the girls going? I don't know where the girls are going. I don't know has been taken from here and where the girls are going, where the girls are going. So answer is hidden in the question itself. Let's see few questions. Let's see question number D. Where is Amir going? I don't know where Amir is going. Again I am repeating the answer of question number D. I don't know where Amir is going. Let's see question number H. Where is the noise coming from? Then the answer will be I don't know where the noise is coming from. Again I am repeating the answer of question number H. I don't know where the noise is coming from. So like this you all have to practice. Let's see question number 3. Make sentences beginning with the words in brackets. Where does he live? In bracket you can see ask him. So we have to use these words in our answers. Ask him where he lives. Ask him as it is, because we have to begin our answer with these words where he lives, where he lives. Let's see another example. Where does she keep the sugar? In bracket you can see do you know. So the answer will be do you know where she keeps the sugar? If you can see we are not including or writing does means helping verb in the answers. We are not writing helping verb in the answers. So let's see question number B. Where does Kumar go to school? So what will be the answer? We have to start our answer from these words. Do you know? So the answer will be do you know where Kumar goes to school? Again I am repeating the answer. Do you know where Kumar goes to school? Let's see question number E. Where does Mrs. Das buy her bread? So in bracket you can see some words do you know. So we have to start our answer from do you know. So the answer will be do you know where Mrs. Das buy her bread? Sorry, buys her bread. Again I am repeating the answer. Do you know where Mrs. Das buys her bread? It will be buys, B-U-Y-S. So be careful here. Now let's see question number 4. Make sentences beginning with can you tell me? So you have to make sentence means your answer must begin with can you tell me? Let's see some examples. Where did he go? Then the answer will be, can you tell me where he went? So you can see, can you tell me is as it is, and where he went, in the place of did we have not used did, we have used the past participle form of go, that is went. So like this also you can see here, or you can do, where did she put it? So the answer will be, can you tell me where she put it? Where she put it, because three form the three forms of the verb put is put only. So let's see question number C. Where did he lose it? So the answer will be, can you tell me where he lost it? Again, I am telling the answer of question number C. Can you tell me where he lost it? And all of you, please don't forget to put question mark at the end of your answer in this question. Let's see question number F. Where did they find the money? So the answer will be, can you tell me where they found the money? Again, I am repeating the answer of question number F. Can you tell me where they found the money? So like this, you all have to practice